Welcome to your AI journey. In 2026, mastering artificial intelligence isn't optional, it's essential. And the best part? You can start for free. Today, I'll walk you through 7 top AI courses online that will give you the skills you need to succeed in AI, whether you're a beginner or ready to go deeper. Let's dive in. 1. AI for Everyone, Andrew Ng. Beginner-friendly. A perfect starting point if you're new to AI. Learn what AI really is, how it works, and how it's transforming industries without any coding. 2. Elements of AI, University of Helsinki, one of the world's most popular AI introductions. It teaches foundational AI concepts, machine learning basics, and how AI affects society, all at your own pace and completely free. 3. CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python, Harvard University. If you want to dive deeper and learn AI with code, this is your course. You'll explore real algorithms, coding in Python, search, optimization, neural networks, and more. 4. Google Cloud's AI and Machine Learning Basics. Google offers a library of free AI learning paths, from basic AI concepts to practical applications and prompt essentials. 5. Prompt engineering for AI. Various providers. One of the most valuable skills in 2026 is knowing how to talk to AI, how to write prompts that get the best results. Many platforms like deeplearning.ai and Coursera offer free prompt engineering modules. 6. Microsoft Learn. AI Fundamentals. Microsoft offers free modules covering AI tools, fundamentals, and real-world use cases, especially helpful if you want AI skills for business or technical projects. 7. Generative AI and Future Skills courses. Google, AWS, IBM. Beyond basics, learn the latest in generative AI, how to create content, build models, and implement AI tools in real projects. Platforms like Google Cloud, IBM, and AWS offer free generative AI labs and beginner-friendly training.
All links are in the description.